Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will check the levels for tomorrow Bank Nifty and Nifty. And as in previous video we had discussed that market is moving inside the trend line. I had drawn Bank Nifty is moving inside these trend lines. This is called rising wedge. Okay, we will call it as rising wedge. It is moving inside this trend line like this. As you can see, inside this trend line, it is moving inside this trend line. And Nifty, I had updated in my Telegram that Nifty can be a sideways market, and you can see market. I updated the support and resistance levels of the Nifty and Bank Nifty in my Telegram channel. If you're not a member in Telegram channel, you can join for daily updates. And you can see this is the levels which I updated in Telegram. It is moving inside this support and resistance levels. Okay, we will call it as inside the range. Okay, and in this type of market, for Nifty, we can do some hedging strategy. We can apply some hedging strategies so that we can make some money, good money in this sideways market. As you can see, Bank Nifty is looking strong than Nifty. See, it is moving inside this wedge. Okay, it is already today it is ended with low side of trend line, and I am expecting the move open a positive move and then the sideways to uptrend. Okay, I am expecting the uptrend move of Bank Nifty from tomorrow, even tomorrow, because as you can see in 1 minute time frame, Bank Nifty 1 minute time frame. I'm just clearing the drawings. Wait a minute. I had already explained in the previous videos. Here we may get a profit booking, and it is done today. See here, this is because of profit booking, a big red candle with a big body, and you can see I'm expecting a positive note for tomorrow until it breaks the trend line. See, this is the trend line. If it is breaks, we will avoid the buying side, and if it is open inside this trend line, we will sit for buying side for tomorrow. Why? Because see, in 15-minute chart, it is near to supporting line. Let me open it. See, it is very near to supporting line. Okay, if it is opened below this, it is considered as a negative market. I am expecting open up at this range and sideways market in this range. Okay, in this particular range. Okay, as I updated in Telegram also the levels of Bank Nifty and Nifty today. And if you see Nifty day chart, see, I already told you this can be profit booking, right? But here you can see it is halting. I already told you it is in uptrend from last 1 week, from August 4th. Okay, fully uptrend. Okay, any market it won't go uptrend. Okay, if it is going uptrend, it gives some halting or else retracements. Okay, this is a time for retracement. Sorry, halting. See, from last 4 days it is halting at the same range. Okay, I am expecting sideways market and the Nifty sideways market if it is open inside this range. And for tomorrow levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can see the same levels can be applicable here. See, if it is open above these levels, it is not possible to open above these levels, but it can open a positive note and it can become the sideways market, or it can become breakout. Okay, I am expecting a positive note only because it is halting. If it is halting at one range, we can expect the same side. We can expect a good move. Okay, for example, if it is market is halting downside, see, it is in sideways market. No, sorry. If it is sideways market went down and it is halting at one position, we can expect a downside only. See, it is in uptrend. Okay, it is halting at this point of range. We can expect a good move to positive note. Okay, this is example for halting to sideways to uptrend and sideways to downtrend. Okay, let me clear all the lines. See, for tomorrow these are the support and resistance levels, same thing which I updated in group. See, these are the very important level for Nifty. I'm expecting a sideways market. If it may not open above these levels. Okay, this is a huge number to open up above these or below these levels. And Bank Nifty, I'm expecting to move inside this range. Here, if you have to consider this point, these levels. Okay, because these are the levels having support of previous resistance of previous support. Here you can see this is a big trend line which is drawn from last 2 weeks. This is the support, this is the support, and this is the support, and this is a 4 support. These are connecting at the same point. Okay, and this is a resistance, and both support line and resistance lines connecting together. Okay, this is a major support, we consider as major support, and we expected the downfall. Nifty, as I told, I'm expecting the flat open up. Wait for market opens. Once the market opens, you can apply the hedging strategies, or else you can wait for the price action if you are a small trader. Okay, this is the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to this video, subscribe to my channel for more.